Welcome to Manchester Great Ancoats Street, and today we are starting our walking tour at the junction of Great Ancoats Street and Old Mill Street in the heart of Manchester's city centre. So this area, once the hub of industrial revolution, is now a vibrant mix of history, culture and modern living. Let's dive into the dynamic neighbourhoods of Ancoats and the Northern Quarter, where the old will be meeting the new. So we are starting off right here, greeted by some of the tallest towers in Manchester, towering over the Ashton Canal. Right across that gap between these towers is the Great Ancoats Bridge, a key connector to the nearby neighbourhoods. These modern residential buildings reflect Manchester's urban transformation, seamlessly blending with the historic charm of the Great Ancoats Street. So walking down the Great Ancoats Street, it is clear this is one of Manchester's busiest and most vibrant streets. Here you'll find a variety of businesses, eateries and shops that capture the spirit of an ever-evolving city. So we've got different businesses here. For example, this one, which is a furniture business that we have on the right hand side, but there is more than just these ones. We've got residential buildings, and these are the ones that are in front of us there on the left hand side, are a good example. So we've got the big concept. Further down the streets, we're going to see the Charology, or the horse fall, which is right next to us here after the big concept. And then we've got Carmen, which is upcoming and is one of the Spanish tapas restaurants, bringing the authentic Mediterranean flavors to Manchester. But then we've just left, right behind, we've just left the Aldi supermarket, a convenient stop for locals. And then this is El Carmen, or Mari Carmen, the one I was telling you, which is a Spanish restaurant that has found this spot right here on Great Ancoats Street to be the perfect place to bring that Spanish cuisine into Manchester. But I was saying that on our left hand side we have the Ashley building, which is a residential building, and right behind it was the Port 1 Street, which is currently under construction and set to dominate the Skyline with their serviced apartments. We've got the Belvoir, which is another business that has set shop here. It's a lettings company. But also further down, we will see the Viet Shack, which is a popular Vietnamese joint. There is a lot of choice for everybody looking for something to eat or venture into here along the Great Ancoats Street. And there's a small post office here right at this corner. It's beautiful and clean, yet very, very busy street. It's not even the busiest right now, but normally during the day, this is one of the roads here in the town center that I would say takes the lion's share in terms of traffic. It's very busy. And then you can see the colors of the autumn as well that have not left us. We still have this yellow, golden yellow on the leaves that are still falling. The weather is nice. It looks really nice, though it's changing quickly, and very soon the weather forecast is not looking that great. But anyways, we're going to enjoy these few days that are left for a good weather. It's really, really beautiful. And so right on the left hand side there, that will be where the buses are coming from. That's the Oldham road, and if we go deep in there, we're going into the northern quarter. And at that junction is where we have what they call the Frog and Bucket Comedy Club, an iconic venue that has hosted some of the UK's top comedians since the 1990s. Across the street, we'll be heading to the Oldham Junction, now turning to the right, and that road now is going to head all the way up to a neighborhood or a small town or a village called Oldham. It's not a village, it's a town. It's a big town right outside Manchester city centre. So it should be about 25 minutes by car. It looks like the traffic here is building up just a bit more than what we've experienced at the beginning of this walking tour. So if it's your first time coming across this channel, it goes by the name of Hajways. Please take a minute to subscribe, like the videos, and share with friends and family, so that this channel can grow and we can be able to share these tours with as many people as possible. Yes, so now we've reached the Oldham Junction, where Great Ancoats Street meets the northern quarter and the Oldham Road. And right in front of us on the left hand side, that would be the northern quarter. And Manchester's northern quarter is, as we've seen in our previous video, is Manchester's creative and independent district, and it's known for its quirky charm. This area was once filled with Victorian warehouses, but has been transformed into a hub of street art, indie shops, and bustling nightlife. So let's cross towards the northern quarter and see what this area has got for us. Of course, we've seen other areas of the northern quarter, but this bit here we've not seen it. So we're just going to walk through quickly and have a look. So we're going to now enter into what they call the Tib Street, and then we will turn right and not venture much into Tip Street because there's nothing much to see down there, but I want to take you to another corner so that we can try to see what we can find there. So please bear with me and continue accompanying me to the end of this video. So from here we're going to explore the winding streets of the northern quarter, and we've started with the Tip Street, and now we are on the Foundry Street, where some charming old buildings meet contemporary architecture. So this would be part of the Foundry Street that has changed a bit, but then if you look right in front, you're going to see a typical Victorian house that has been here for ages and was probably one of the warehouses here during the Industrial Revolution. I don't know what the fate of these buildings will be in the near future, as their status or conditions keeps on deteriorating. Oh, English is difficult. But anyways, I guess there is a plan with the council to to maintain them and keep a constant renovation of the building, keep on top of them so that they don't fall down, because it's going to be a pity. It's part of the history of this city. Now we are on William Fairbairn Way, and you will notice now there's a shift to modern residential buildings rising up alongside remnants of what would be Manchester's industrial heritage, painting a vivid picture of the city's transformation. And this is the High Street. So if we follow the street all the way down, that will take us right to the town center, just next to the Piccadilly Gardens. But we're not going there. We're going to walk all the way up so that we can explore this area and see what this area is offering, because it looks as it has changed a bit with this new rise, the new rise of the modern buildings that have been constructed here. So we're basically behind the area where the hotel Crown Plaza is located, and this this building here is almost like a landmark. But also the one on the left, this one here with the yellow colors, it's very recognizable from a distance. But here we have the Holiday Inn Express, and then in the front side of this area we would have the Crown Plaza, which we're going to see in a few. But also look at that building over there, a Victorian building right in front of a modern or an ultra modern building that I would say has not been here for more than 5 years. So from here, this area opens up to revealing towering new developments in this area that we're going to see in just a minute. There we go. And these are just recognizable from now from a distance, because they are exclusively, if not the tallest, they are among the tallest buildings in the city center, and they are right at the entrance of the city center along the Rochdale Road. So this is a clear example of how the city continues to grow while respecting its rich history to some extent. So as we end our tour, we are back along the Rochdale Road, greeted by the towering Moda Garden or Moda Angel Gardens and the evolving skyline of Manchester. This journey through Great Ancoats Street, Ancoats and a part of the Northern Quarter shows the incredible transformation of our historic area into a thriving and modern hub. So if you're a fan of history, architecture or amazing food, this walking through Manchester is an experience you can't miss. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more walking tours and hidden gems. Thanks for joining and for joining this walking through Manchester's vibrant streets, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.